Documentary-style editing is going viral, but most people only teach effects, not how to actually edit a full reel. I'll show you how to edit a complete documentary-style reel step by step. Let's get started. First, add a background and scale its size until it fully fills the screen. For the color, add the given RGB and set the duration to 10.6 seconds, the video duration. Now add the map PNG of America. You will find it in the description. And add an effect named Flip Layer and keep it at standard settings. Add 2 keyframes in angle, first at 0 seconds and the last at 2.05 seconds. At the second keyframe, increase the value to 70 degrees and apply this graph. Then add a circle, select the color black, make it small, and place it at the center of the America map like I did. Now copy that circle and add 2 keyframes in scale, first at 0 seconds and second at 1 second. Increase the size of the circle. Go to blending and add 2 keyframes exactly like in scale. At the start, keep the value 100 and at the end 0 and add this graph. Now add a null and name it America. Connect the map PNG and all the circles to the null America. Go to the null America, add 2 keyframes in move and transform from 0 seconds to 1 second. At 0 seconds, move it slightly down and add this graph. Now make a line. I have already made it. Go to Vector Drawing, draw 2 points, enable color, and set stroke value to 4 to get a line. Add an effect named Stripes. Set the count to 8 and enable Punch Out. This is very important. Then add the Drawing Progress effect and add 2 keyframes in. At the first keyframe, set the value to 0 and at the second to 100. And add this graph. Now add a text 100% traffic. Select any light font, choose black color, and keep it exactly above the line. Add keyframes in Move and Transform, first at 0.18 seconds and second at 2.05 seconds. At the first keyframe, move it slightly down and add this graph. Add an effect named Count Up Down. Go to Multiply and add 2 keyframes, one at 0.18 and one at 2 seconds. At the first keyframe, set the value to 93 and at the second to 0 and add the same graph used in the line animation. Add a camera from 0 to 1.26 seconds.